This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Judy Atari. Under construction. This is a popular floor plan with a coastal elevation, featuring architectural embellishments that resemble coastal Florida. Offering 4 beds, 3 baths, and over 2,200 square feet of living, the open concept floor plan maximizes functionality and space. As you enter the home into the foyer, you will find 2 nice-sized bedrooms and a shared bathroom tucked away at the front of the home separate from the primary bedroom for added privacy. Continue down the hall with 8 feet door openings and to the spacious great room where you will be amazed by the 14 feet vaulted ceilings and the amount of natural light that beams in from the large windows. Overlooking the great room is the well-appointed kitchen with 42-inch white cabinets with dark hardware finishes, granite counters with herringbone laid backsplash tile, stainless steel appliances and an island with enough seating for the entire family. 7 by 22 wood ceramic tile throughout the common areas of the home and in the primary bedroom. Carpet in bedroom 2, 3 and 4. The formal dining room is perfect for hosting a dinner party and has sliders that lead out to the covered porch with prewires included for ceiling fans. Enter the primary bedroom to double doors leading into the ensuite bathroom with a huge walk-in closet and with dual vanities, frameless shower enclosure, and a freestanding to garden in after a long day. Other features include prewires for ceiling fans in all bedrooms, prewire for flat panel TV in the family room, laundry room pre-plumbing for a sink and water softener pre-plumbing. For more information, review the details below.